Good morning, everybody on YouTube land. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope your turkey was delicious. We have so much to be thankful for. Our life, our breath, the beat of our hearts, the cells in our body, and the fact that Jesus lets us live forever. I live here in the desert, so I am always figuring out ways to save water. Thinking of things that I'm thankful for this Thanksgiving season, I am thankful for water. So I save it in every way that I can so they can put it out on my plants. I have a little bucket here in the bathroom that I catch any water. It doesn't have toothpaste or soap in it. And here in my kitchen sink, I use this bucket to catch any water that doesn't have soap or grease in it. I catch rainwater in one of the big trash barrels that I don't use. And I catch rainwater in a kiddie pool. I have another place here where the rain comes off the roof really strong. And if I could get some kind of a trough, like a horse trough, or some kind of a big long planter, I could catch some more rainwater here. I catch the water that runs out of each one of my bins. I also use water in little containers to keep ants from going up the legs of the chairs. I use dippers. This one on a long handle, this one a short handle, to dip water that I just want to pour on just a tiny part of my bins. And if I just want to get one little tiny spot, I pipette it with a straw. So that's why I'm thankful for water this year. What are you thankful for? Put it in the comments what you're thankful for. And I'll see you next time. Adios. Mwah. Jesus loves you. He's the exact image of the invisible God. I pray that he'll give you peace and joy. I'll see you next time. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell. Talk to you soon.